Hotel and Restaurant Management headed by the 4B students. Thank you so much. At this point in time, I would like to have the call on our event organizer for the welcome address, Ms. Raylene A. Alcala. Ma'am?
Okay, good afternoon, everyone. May I take this opportunity to welcome you all and to extend a further word of welcome to everyone here in this afternoon. To our participants, students from, if we have from other colleges, uh, and to my advisee class, which is the BSHRM 4th year B, who prepared this event. We would like to extend our gratitude and thanks to all the role players that have made this event possible. Once again, welcome to the Kite Festival 2018 of 4B. And it's now officially open.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Alcala. Wow. And of course, give him a round of applause. And of course, to Mr. Don Mendoza. Sir, good afternoon. And to our very own, the Department Head of the Hotel and Restaurant Management, a round of applause to Ms. Syran Tortin Saavedra. Ma'am, good afternoon. Thank you for being with us. Yes. So, at this point in time, I would like to call on the chairperson of this event, the Kite Festival, to read the criteria and the general guidelines.
Should wear appropriate protective clothing and footwear. Official list of participants are required to submit not later than January 12, 2018. Participants should stay within the competition field during the competition. Only officially registered participants can participate during the competition. Participants should be in the open field before the competition starts. Those who fail will be disqualified. This competition is open to all. Recognition of participation. Be at the venue 1 hour before the contest starts. All contestants will be provided with certificates of participation. Winners will receive medals and awards that the organizer will give. Special awards: Best Homemade Kite, Biggest Kite, Smallest Kite, Most Creative Kite. Kite contest rules. Kites entered in a competition must be homemade, but not necessarily by the person flying them. Kites assembled from commercial kits will not be considered homemade. Manufactured kites are not eligible for competition. Contestants may enter only one kite per event. Kites must fly to qualify for judging. Contestants should fly their kites at least 1 hour. Contestants should only have one assistant per entry. If the kite won't fly above the sky, the contestant will be eliminated. Awards will be given to first, second, and third place winners in each event. Judge decisions are final. Contestants must be registered before the contestant and display their number at all times.
Yes, thank you so much, Rudy Ann, for the guidelines and Boys and Girls Pep Squad. A round of applause.
Congratulate Miss Alcala for taking the initiative of coming up with something like a Kind Festival for their sports leisure subject. And I would like to congratulate the organizers for putting all the efforts and coming up with an event. To our participants, thank you also for taking part. And may we see you next year for the next Kind Festival. Again, congratulations and congrats to the time.
Thank you so much, Sir Patrick. Everyone, thank you so much to the organizers behind these things. Maraming salamat po. It won't be possible enough without you guys. Congratulations! And now, the Kite Festival 2018 signing off. Thank you!
Thank you for coming to my concert, Annie.
Kamusta pa? Magbibideo ako. Gagamitin natin ito. Cut! Aray! On the KL pose!
Ah, balik! Hindi naka-play kanina tayo.
Di ba yung naka-play?
Lang tayo ng
Ano yan to? Ay, i-video na kita.
Johnny, tsaka
Uwi naman. Filler. Ambisyosa.
tama ko mo man makeup.
Manhul body ako ba? Kuya!
Uy, grabe pa ka. So, guys, ito nga. Dito po tayo ngayon sa may
nagkwentuhan si Yancy na lang. Basta next. Makeup tutorial by Karen.
Ano mo kayo yammer? Gabi. Ay, nagre-record yan? Pucha. Ignorante. Tayo ba doon? Pak, nagkalapit talaga. Hindi o ganun o.
Glossy paper. Glossy paper.
Sino yan? Ay, si